Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up, so line dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Shake Body. The song is Shake Body, the artist is SKALES, and the choreography NZINGA KHALID. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video, and also check out the choreographer. Last but not least, the NOLA Southern Experience in New Orleans, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. We are celebrating our 10th year anniversary. Registration opens June 1st, 2025. Please go to our website for detailed information, book your room at our website, and also you register June 1st, 2025 at our website, www.lminola.com. Are you ready? This is going to be a workout. Let's go, guys.
Shake body. Move body. Make you ring alarm. Shake body. Now girls they feel me now. I get some money, then they feel me now. But they do me anyhow. I get some money, they wanna get out. They want me for ransom, 'cause I'm young and I'm rich and I'm handsome. They wanna know where I come from, and they want to some Lagos and London.
brought back my aerobic days. That's a great workout. That is Shake Body. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.